This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
This is where our website comes to life. We're going to install the theme and the plugins. So there's no creativity here, but this is all of the default stuff that we're going to have to do so we have a solid foundation to build on top of. And the first thing is we want to download the theme that we want to use and download Thrive Architect. So you can click on the link in the PDF or just head over to Thrive Dashboard. And you're gonna have to log in with the account you created when you created your Thrive Themes account, but I'm already logged in. And it's just this member dashboard button on the top. And if you scroll down, it's gonna show you all of the themes and plugins that you've purchased. And in our case, we're using Thrive Architect, which is a plugin. And for that reason, I'm gonna click download, and you're gonna wanna do the same. And for themes, I'm gonna download Focus Blog. And that's it. So now we've downloaded Focus Blog and Thrive Architect. Next up is to install our Focus Blog theme. And to do that, we're gonna need to get into the back end of our website. And that can be done by going to your website domain name, .com, or whatever your thing is, whatever, /wp-admin. And now we're going to want to log in with that information we saved earlier. So I'm going to use my sticky note, and we have that WordPress admin user and also our password. And I'm just going to say remember me and log in. And that's it. This is the back end to our WordPress website. So if you've never used WordPress before, it may look a little scary, but trust me, this is not as complicated as it looks, and it becomes really familiar quickly. So now we're going to want to install our theme. And to do that, you hover over Appearance and click on Themes. Now, as you can see, we've already have a theme installed. So WordPress installs this theme 2017, which is a very lightweight theme that you can use if you're on a super tight budget. But in our case, we're going to be installing the Focus Blog theme, which we purchased. So click on the Add New Theme button. And then you're going to want to upload your theme. And remember, we downloaded this about 2 seconds ago. So just go to your Downloads tab, double click on the theme, and then install now. And it shouldn't take more than 30 or 40 seconds to install the theme. Okay, so we've installed a theme, but now we need to activate it. So now it's just the theme in our collection, but the other theme that I showed you earlier is still active. So now let's activate Focus Blog. And that's it. It's been successfully activated. Now the next step is to validate it with our license key, but let's not do that yet because we want to install Thrive Architect first. And then I'll show you how to validate both of these products. And that's just a fancy way of saying you got to enter the software code that you're going to find on the website. And that's how it keeps track of how many websites you're installing that plugin in. Because remember, you bought it for 1 website or 5 websites or whatever number. So now we have installed the Focus Blog theme. Next up is to install Thrive Architect plugin. To do that, we're going to be in WordPress here, hover over Plugins, and Add New. Now we want to upload a plugin, very similar to how we uploaded a theme. And double click on Thrive Architect and install now. And that's it. So our plugin has been activated. So we have installed the Thrive Architect plugin. Next up, we want to validate both of these Thrive products we installed. And to do that, click on the hover over the Thrive dashboard and click on License Manager. And from here, you're going to want to enter the email address that you use to create your Thrive account and also your license key. And to find your license key on the member dashboard, you scroll up and click on My Account and License Keys. Now I'm going to have to hide the screen for a second because I don't want you using my keys, but you're going to be using your own key, obviously. So this is what our site looks like after we've installed the Focus blog, installed Thrive Architect, and then activated both of those themes.